This watch is stupid and I love it. This is my stupid Casio watch. Oh, you know what time it is? It's time to get a stupid watch. With all the crazy tech around these days, especially with smartwatches, I thought it'd be good to check out an old school classic. This is the Casio F91W-1. That just rolls off the tongue. Digital stupid watch. But I mean that with all due respect. It's not a smart watch. Literally. So what else would it be? So why would you get one of these watches? I'm asking you. I don't know why anyone would, but leave a comment if you have an idea. Let's talk about all the features and what you get. It's absolutely not loaded with features, so that's pretty clear. It's got a digital display. It's 55 grams. It's black. It shows time. It has an amazing calendar. Alarm feature. It's luminous and the water resistance is up to 165 meters. I don't even know how to test that. What else? Well, let's talk about what you don't get. So here's what's not included with it. You got no Wi-Fi. You got no Bluetooth, you got no GPS, you got no NFC, you got no accelerometer, you got no gyro, you got no heart rate monitor, you got no barometer, you got no compass, you got no time for that. This is a stupid watch. So what do I like about it? Super low price. It lets you know what time it is anytime you look at it. That's a great feature. Amazing battery life, like years. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but probably forever. So what is there not to like about this stupid watch? Now again, I'm asking you again, I don't really know. Leave a comment, because I don't know what there is to not like about it. So if you need to know what time it is, any time of the day, but you don't need a computer strapped to your arm, then this is probably a watch for you. And if you want to get one, I have affiliate links to all this stuff and things in the description. If you ever buy anything from my channel through the affiliate links, I get a little commission. Doesn't cost you anything more and it's always appreciated. It helps make great videos like this time after time. All right, it's time to go. That's enough time. There's no time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.